Buenos dias, guys. We are at the Valle de Cocoa. This is where the famous palm trees are in Salento. We drove here from Manizales, about 2.5 hour drive, and so far definitely worth it. I think these trees can reach up to like 90 meters tall, if I'm not mistaken. And we paid like $2.50 for parking. So you have the option to take like a wheelie, which I think is like $1 per person, which you can get picked up from Salento, or you can drive your own car. So we're gonna walk towards all the way to the front where they have like the famous hand statue, and just take in the breathtaking views here. I mean, it's amazing. Even though it's a little cloudy, you still have a good view of the trees and just the mountains and the little houses you can see, the farmlands, fincas. Very beautiful. Hey guys, check this out. So we just paid $5 to get in. For adults, kids under 3 are free. This is a beautiful park with a lot of great places you can take pictures. They have like some sheep in the back or some cows or something. A lot of statues, and then all the way to the top here is where the famous hand statue is. You can overlook the valley. And you can also ride a horse up to the top. Since we have gin, I don't think we can really do that, but you can see it's a very long hike up. So it's gonna be very challenging, but nonetheless, we drove here, so we're gonna have to just endure it. I think it'd be well worth it. Here we have a goat. Looks like some llamas or alpacas. I always get those two confused. And then some sheep a little further up. You can see still a very long way to the very top here. And guys, we finally made it to the top. Oh my god, it was stressful. I had to carry Jen the whole way up. It was a very steep climb in certain places. But check out these views. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back down, and I know there's a waterfall that we kind of passed on the route here, so we're gonna try to see if we can check that out, maybe get some food, and then head to the town of Salento. and from there we head back to Manizales. So it's gonna be a full day. All right, so we made it to the center of Salento. This is the Boulevard Square, Salento. I just parked a couple blocks away, like 50 cents. Olivia and Jen are in the car waiting because Jen fell asleep. But I just wanted a chance before we leave this town to get a chance to see a little bit of the center area and the beautiful, colorful architecture, which I love. And then straight ahead here we have a church. So we can check that out. Alright, so there's the inside here. I think we have like a garden in the back. Such a beautiful, colorful town, which is one thing I really love and appreciate about Colombia. There's a lot of beautiful pueblos all throughout the country. And although this one's kind of touristy because of the valley with the tall trees, it's still very nice to visit. Here's a line. People are waiting to get into the Willies. This will take you to the Valle de Cocoa as well. I think from what I've heard from other videos, it's like $1 or so. Pretty cheap. Which something we would have done if we didn't have our own car. It's more convenient to kind of just go and come when you please. Especially on the way back, I'm not sure how it really works, and it depends on if the car is full and all of that. But it's a cool experience nonetheless. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the video of Salento and the Cocoa Valley. Hope you guys enjoyed. We definitely had a great time, and I recommend getting here as early as possible. It opens at 8. We got here about 9:30, and you can see when we start to leave, it's starting to get really, really crowded. So if you can get here when it opens, that's ideal. If not, as soon as possible, because it does get crowded. And then you never know what the weather's going to be. It's very unpredictable, so keep that in mind as well. And another tip for parking, if you are driving, make sure that you go all the way to the very end. There's a really big parking lot, and that's where you're going to go, where you saw us film and climb up the mountain, and that's where the best views and stuff are. You're gonna see a lot of people trying to get you to park, you know, as soon as you kind of get into that area. But yeah, just hold off to the very last minute. You'll be a lot closer, and it's a lot easier, and it's very cheap. It's like $1, a couple dollars, or whatever it is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.